श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम।
ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम।
ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः।
ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः।
भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः।
भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः।
स्थिरैरङ्गैः स्तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः।
स्थिरैरङ्गैः स्तुष्टुवागंसस्तनूभिः।
व्यसेम देवहितं यदायुः।
व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः।
स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः।
स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः।
स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः।
स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः।
स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः।
स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः।
स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु।
स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ अग्ने नय सुपथाराये अस्मान्।
ॐ अग्ने नय सुपथाराये अस्मान्।
विश्वानि देव वयुनानि विद्वान्।
विश्वानि देव वयुनानि विद्वान्।
युयोध्यस्मज्जुहुराणमेनो।
युयोध्यस्मज्जुहुराणमेनो।
भूयिष्ठां ते नममुक्तिं विधेम।
भूयिष्ठान्ते नम उक्तिं विधेम।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि।
ॐ आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि।
वाक्प्राणश्चक्षुः।
वाक्प्राणश्चक्षुः।
श्रोत्रमथो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि।
श्रोत्रमथो बल इन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि।
सर्वं ब्रह्म उपनिषदम्।
सर्वं ब्रह्म उपनिषदम्।
माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम्।
नाहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम्।
मा ब्रह्म निराकरोतु।
मा ब्रह्म निराकरोतु।
अनिराकरणमस्तु अनिराकरणं मे अस्तु।
अनिराकरणमस्तु अनिराकरणं मे अस्तु।
तदात्मनि निरतेय उपनिषत्सु धर्माः।
तदात्मनेय निरत्सु धर्मा।
तदात्मनि निरतेय आत्मनि धर्माः।
तदात्मने निरति य आत्मने धर्म।
य उपनिषत्सु धर्माः य उपनिषत्सु धर्माः।
य उपनिषत्सु धर्माः।
ते मयि सन्तु।
ते मयि सन्तु।
ते मयि सन्तु।
ते मयि सन्तु।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। I'll turn on the lights, uncle.
So why are we reciting these three mantras every time, Shanti mantras? It is a normal thing, because in the first mantra, we are making a prayer to all gods that our ears must be, auditory power must be good till the end of life. Our vision must be quite good till the end of life. All our indriyas must be strong, no joint pains, no sarvani angani balam. We want every limb of our body, and also our mind also should be controlled, because vyasema devahitam yadayuhu means your mind must be set in a manner that you will be always helping the good people. Helping the good people, avoiding the bad people. And avoiding the bad habits and inviting good habits. So yesterday we had International Children Day. All children have been given instruction how they should conduct themselves. And all the gurus are not available to them always. Only when class hour is there, that guru comes once in a week or 2 times a week. Otherwise, the guru is not with the boy or girl. Therefore, the whatever instruction we have got, we should be able to use. That is to say that the mind setup should be like that. So, vyasema devahitam yadayuhu. Okay, I committed that I should be doing good for good people. What about my health? I don't want the rhyme and rhythm of my health be endangered. So no part should be paining, no part should be making us to remember. Therefore, we say that these 4 gods are there, they are to grant us swasti. And the chief, powerful, all-round energy is Agni, energy, fire. So everybody should be like fire. That is right from birth until the end, there is the power, thermal power operative. Therefore, and Agni is one responsible. So make a prayer to Agni. And then we do the prayer from Chandogya Upanishad, saying that not only you have to please the outside things, but also inside our body. Because if our body inside has got all God's presence. Therefore, you should make all gods to be pleasant. Therefore, apyayantu, let all of them be pleased, appeased. So, and why you get appeasement and stability? Because you must pocket all secret knowledge. Upanishad dharmaha, that is, which will make us regulate our life, and dharmam. And even now, in the Taittiriya Upanishad, in the Brahmanandavalli, we are also embarking on this kind of object, that Yaupanishatsu dharma temayi santu means, what is the Upanishad dharma teaching us? Be happy. How much happy I should be? As happy as Brahmadeva. So Brahmanandamanta anandam pandaranamata. So there is a measure for ananda, and that kind of measure is how much measure is there? Because all beings born upon the lokas are interested to be blissful. Yavadiki dukkhamuddu, including Sita. Sita says, Hanuman dukkhaharo bhava. You are the only eligible fellow who can remove my dukkham now. Because I am now surrounded by the Rakshasas. But my mind is on Rama, but I am surrounded by Rakshasas. And therefore, Hanuman dukkhaharo bhava. Like that, 3-4 times. Santoshakaro bhava. Not only dukkhahara, also santosham. Removing dukkha is not completely done. And in place of dukkha nasha, santosha prapti should be there. Is it not?
Yes.
So that santosha prapti is what abhay. Dukkha harana means abhayam. I mean abhayahastam or bhayarahitam. then Santosha is the sloka. So in this Abhaya Pratishtha, which we have been studying in the previous session, that Rasagumhyevanandi Bhavati, see, unless you meditate upon the God, unless you meditate upon the quality and influence of the God, you cannot get Ananda, because Bhagavan is Ananda Swarupaha. If people are laughing, you also want to laugh. Why are you laughing? Let me also laugh. So that is how the temperament goes, is it not? ఎందుకు నవ్వుతున్నారు మీరంతా నాకు చెప్పండి అంటే వాళ్ళు చెప్పిన తర్వాత you may join their laughter program. So the same idea here in the Brahmanandavalli, Rasagumhyevaya Anandi Bhavati. When once you know the Paramatma, the bliss of our bliss, then you will become Anandavan. Because this Ananda is the most important need for all creatures born. పుట్టిన వాళ్ళకందరికీ ఆనందం కావాలి. The moment the baby comes out from mother, it is hungry, it cries. When the food is given to by mother to her, then no cry. ఆనందంగా సక్ చేస్తుందమ్మా పాప. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ హౌ ఆనంద అనుభవము, ఆనంద మీమాంస అండ్ ఆనందం. దట్స్ మీన్ ఈ సెడ్ సహా అభయంగతో భవతి. అండ్ అదకు ముంచే ఏముంది, ఏషః ఏతస్మిన్ అదృశ్యే అనాత్మే అనురుక్తే అనిలయనే అభయం ప్రతిష్టాం విందతే. These are the two things we want. One is we must have the protection shield. Secondly, you must be successful. Pratishtha means success. ఏ ప్రాజెక్ట్ తీసుకున్నా కూడా మీకు ఆ ప్రాజెక్ట్లో మంచి ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ ఫ్లో అయిపోయి తొందరగా సక్సీడ్ అవుతే అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, ప్రాజెక్ట్ లాంచ్ చేసిన తర్వాత మీకు శాంతి లభిస్తుంది. సో ప్రతిష్ట అంటే కైండ్ ఆఫ్ హ్యాపీనెస్ and complacency will be there. And then if you do not do that, there will be bhayam, and therefore amanvanasya bhayam. Now we go into the Brahmananda Mimamsa session, which is very important one, because there is always a scale to Anandam. See, chinna papalki 5-star biscuit iste ఇంకా వాళ్ళు నీతో మాట్లాడు వెళ్ళిపోతారు. If the same 5-star has been given to you, you are not happy. And supposing it is given to an old man, no. So ఆనందం కావాలి అంటే కమెన్సరేట్గా ఉండాలి the gift you are going to get. Or if you get what you want, then you become suddenly very happy. Oh, I liked this color. I never have this color. How do you know that I liked this color? Like that, you keep on putting questions, is it not? Not like so. Like that, you have got sloko bhavati. So, continuation of the Abhaya Pratishtha, we have the sloka, continuation of happiness, is Brahmananda. And that Brahmananda, you got to go upon. That's why it's called Mimamsa. మీమాంసా అంటే ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్, స్కేలింగ్ అప్. ఏం తర్వాత ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ అంటే యూ గెట్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అండ్ యూ గెట్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఫర్ దెమ్, అండ్ దెన్ యూ విల్ బి హ్యాపీ. దేర్ ఫోర్ వెనెవర్ యూ యూజ్ ఎ స్కేల్, యూ హ్యావ్ ఎ ఆనందం. ఓ ఐ మెజర్డ్ ఇట్, ఇట్ ఈస్ కరెక్ట్ అంటాం. ఊరికే అప్రాక్సిమేట్గా చెప్తే I don't know, I just approximately told the length and time. So approximation is different from the reality. And therefore, we have got Ananda Mimamsa. Chakkaga undi kada. So we are trying to investigate into the layers of Ananda. And moreover, what will be really bringing ecstasy, joy and happiness depends upon the persons you should catch. పిల్లలకి ఏమి ఇస్తే సంతోషపడతారు, పెద్దవాళ్ళకి ఏం చేస్తే సంతోషపడతారు, వాళ్ళ నుంచి మనకేమొస్తుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈ లలితా సహస్రనామం, లెట్స్ గో టు లలిత. there Chitraanna Preeta Manasa, one Budgaudana Asakta Hridaya, Dadhyanna Sakta Hridaya, and then Payasanna Priya. So you look at the distinction of taste and complaisance in Ammavar.
Yes.
అమ్మా ఇవన్నీ చేయలేం తల్లి అని ఏడిస్తే మనము అప్పుడు అమ్మవాడు ఏమంటుంది సర్వోదన ప్రీతి ఏమన్నా పెట్టమ్మా తింటారంటుంది. ఓదనం అంటే కుకింగ్ మెను. ఐ డోంట్ డిమాండ్ ఓన్లీ ఏబిసిడి బట్ ఎనీథింగ్ బట్ యూ షుడ్ గివ్. సో చూసారా అమ్మవారు ఎలా ఉంది. హయగ్రీవ మహర్షి అగస్త్య మహర్షి చెప్తాడు, అయ్యా అమ్మవారు ఇస్ అ హైలీ ఫ్లెక్సిబుల్ ఉమెన్, గాడెస్. She says, I want Chitraannam, Payasam and all that. But ultimately, she agrees whatever you give her, she's happy. Sarvodana Preeti Chitta, Nandi Vidya Nateshwari. So Nandi Vidya Nateshwari అంటే మ్యూజిక్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోతాం. ఒకసారి భోజనం చేసిన తర్వాత కూని రాగాలు వస్తాయి కదండి. భోజనం ముందు కూని రాగాలు రావు. బిఫోర్ మసాలా దోశ యూ డోంట్ గెట్ ఎనీ సంగీతం. సో ఆ తర్వాత తిన్న తర్వాత కూలి రాగాలు వస్తాయి. ఆ ఆనందం ఎక్కడుంది? మసాలా దోశలో ఉంది. దట్ ఈస్ మన బ్రహ్మ. సో దట్స్ వాట్ ఐ ఆల్వేస్ థింక్. సో దట్ ఆనంద మీమాంస ఈజ్ సంథింగ్ దట్ యూ లైక్డ్ అండ్ లవ్డ్ అండ్ దట్ విల్ గివ్ యూ సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్. నౌ రిసైట్ ఓం భీషాస్మాత్
Om Ishasmat
వాతః పవతే
Vatah Pavate
భీషోదేతి సూర్య
Ishodeti Suryaha
భీషాస్మాదగ్నిశ్చేంద్రశ్చ
Bhishasmad Agnischendrascha
మృత్యుర్ధావతి పంచమా ఇతి.
Mrutyurdhavati Panchama Iti
సైషానందస్య మీమాగుం సా భవతి.
Saishanandasya Mimagam Sa Bhavati
యువా స్యాత్
Yuvasyat
సాధు యువాధ్యాయకః
Sadhu Yuvadhyayakaha
ఆశిష్ఠో దృఢిష్ఠో బలిష్ఠః
Ashishto Drudishto Balishtaha
తస్యేయం పృథివీ సర్వా
Tasyeyam Prithvi Sarva
విత్తస్య పూర్ణా స్యాత్.
Vittasya Purnasyat.
So now let us understand here. See, we have got bhayam and abhayam. And we have got that abhayam we got, and next what would happen. And now bhayamu, abhayamu is arising out of bhiti. భీతాత్ భయం జాయతే అంటారు. అంటే భీతి నుంచి మీలో మన వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ దట్ కమ్స్ అవుట్ వెన్ యూ లుక్ అట్ ది ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అవుట్ సైడ్ యూ. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ఆల్రెడీ ఇన్ us will come to light depending upon the facing you make it. కుక్కను చూస్తే భయపడతారు, భయం ఉంది లోపల, భీతి లోపల ఉంది. If you see a lizard on the wall, people are afraid.
Right, right.
That is on the wall, but you are on the ground, but still bhiti. So that's why bhisha is something that is inbuilt in all people. On the other hand, Bhisha is the dharmam, cosmic law. If you don't do certain things, you will not be happy and you will be punished also, or you will not be recommended. So that Bhisha is the most important propelling force in all individuals. Propeller లేకపోతే aeroplane hopeless.
Correct.
So that propeller is very important. Therefore, here Vataha Pavate, the wind is blowing because it is afraid of dharma or cosmic law. So Bhisha, because of the Bhisha, the Vayu is blowing regularly, rhythmically, constantly, all time. అందరూ పండుకున్నారు అనేసి వాయుదేవుడు స్టాప్ అయిపోతాడేంటి? He cannot take holiday. Oh, all people are sleeping, let me not work. No, that's why Vataha Pavate, the wind god is constantly on because of the fear for Paramatma, Brahma. See, Brahma Deva, who is Brahma? The Dharma is Brahma. Who is Brahma? Who is the cosmic law? Rutam is Brahma. And Satyam, Rutam, Satyam, anta kuda Brahma padarthame. And important to Vataha Bhavate. So next to, I mean, natural forces all are regular in their functioning because they are afraid of the, or they want to be obedient with the cosmic law. See, for example, all people work whether or not there is any support. For example, a bus or train will leave for the destination, not bothering about the number of people sitting reservations. ఒక్కోసారి ఖాళీ బస్సే వెళ్ళిపోతుంటుంది. యారు ప్యాసింజర్స్ బందిಲ್ಲ అనుకుంటే ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂటాడు ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್. Because the time is important. Supposing they don't leave the bus stand on time, the inspector will come and demand. కాబట్టి ఆ ఇన్స్పెక్టర్ ಬರ್ತಾರ್ರಿ ಬೇಡ స్టార్ట్ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ ಅನ್ನప్పుడు ఆ భీష అనేది ధర్మం. అండ్ భీషోదేతి సూర్య. సో ఈ వాత, సూర్య, అగ్ని, ఇంద్ర వీళ్ళందరూ కూడా దే ఆర్ ఆల్ స్కేర్డ్ but obedient for the Bhisha or Dharma. So they're all natural, convenient, connected forces in the nature. Vayu, Surya, Agni, Indra, వీళ్ళందరూ కూడా connected people. But apart from all of them, as the fifth person, there is the Mrityu, the death, the god of death. Mrityuhu dhavati panchamaha. Ippudu Mrityu kadapati vade. Because nobody wants Mrityu immediately. Nobody is ready to stop. Therefore, Mrityuhu dhavati panchamaha means the fifth one, connected to the natural forces. And therefore, because there is that kind of Bhisha, people are able to derive Anandam. Bhayam lekapothe trupti Anandam radu. When do you get Anandam? Only when you discharge, whether or not there is fear for you. Poddun lestane, you should go to kitchen and prepare the breakfast. Oh, you cannot wait for XYZ. Oh, they are not got up. Let me not go. No, that is the, and after doing that job, you feel Anandam. Oh, today morning I did, let them come anytime and I am done. So that's why Mimamsa అంటే discussion, investigation. ఏమొస్తుంది అంటే, now we get into a practical example. You are, take an example of a young man. You are Syat. He may be a youth. What is youth? Sadhu, he may be having very good qualities. Sadhu and noble qualities, noble behavior. And Yuva Adhyayakaha, he is conversant with all the 4 Vedas and whole Vedic literature. So Veda Gnanam anta nimpukunnadu anamata. Adhyayakaha ante is a Vedic student having had the all knowledge. And Yuva ela untadu ante Asishtaha Drudhishtaho Balishtaha. Asishtaha means you must have the desire, anxiety to increase your knowledge. 30 మార్కులు వస్తే చాలండి, పాస్ అయిపోతాను అనేటువంటి వైరాగ్యం ఉంటే కష్టం కదా. No, I should get 100 marks, 90% distinction. That kind of hope and work is called asishtatvam. And you should always be having the aspiration to grow high. Secondly, drudhishtaha, determined ga undali, strong and determined. So unless you have got determination, you will not reach the end. అయ్యో వర్షం వస్తుంది, వెదర్ బాగలేదు, నేను పోను అంటే ఇంట్లోనే ఉంటారు. కానీ వర్క్ అపాయింట్మెంట్ యూ షుడ్. Therefore, especially in country like this, in America, you cannot respect weather. You should apply a heater or a cooler or start your car and go in the snow or no snow, rain or no rain, and sun or no sun. Is it not? Yes. So that's what is called drudhishtaha. మన ఆనందం కావాలి అంటే మనకు డిటర్మినేషన్ ఉండాలి. Unless one has got the determined mind, he cannot. Secondly, and another one is balishtaha, balam. Sarvani indriyani balam anukunta. We are making a prayer. May all my indriyas be strong. So asishto, drishto, balishtaha. So for all youths, for all investigating students, what is the most preliminary quality required in them is they must have liking and inclination for the knowledge, happiness, joy. Asishta ante ఆశలు ఉండాలి. ఆశలు లేకపోతే we will not be able to progress. చదువుకోవాలి, మంచి మార్కులు తెచ్చుకోవాలి అనేటువంటి ఆశ ఉంటే the necessary preparation will take place. So I hope you understood. Asishtaha, drudhishtaha, balishtaha, sadhu, yuva, adhyayataha. These are all the qualities or points required. So these are all the points which will make you to go after the anandam. Asishtaha, drudhishtaha, balishtaha, anandavan. Why? So why, how do I get anandam means to a student or a youth or a young man who has all these requisites, for him, ela untadante tasyeyam prithvi sarva vittasya purna syat tasya syat. So for him it will be experience or attainable. Who is that? Yam prithvi sarva. Anywhere the youth goes in the entire universe, he will be always finding ananda only. ఏడ్చే వాళ్ళు ఎప్పుడు ఏడుస్తూనే ఉంటారు, నవ్వే వాళ్ళు ఎప్పుడు నవ్వుతూనే ఉంటారు. కానీ నవ్వే వాళ్ళని చూస్తే మనకు ఆనందం, ఏడ్చే వాళ్ళని చూస్తే మనకు కోపం. Is it not? We don't tolerate people crying, but we can tolerate people being very happy. So that's why vittasya purna syat. Vittam is bangaru, gold, precious metals, precious things, all that you love most. So the entire universe will turn out to be a source for wonderful opportunities, wonderful wealth acquisition, wonderful more things. Therefore, Sarva Prithvi, the whole earth, is going to be Vittasya Purna Syat. So if you want Vitta Purnatvam, you should be happy when you are living upon the ground. So Santosham lekunda pote, we will not be able to enjoy even those things which are cause for giving you happiness. Therefore, it is said that asishto drudishto balishta and tasyeyam prithvi sarva vittasya purna syat. To him, this earth will be completely purna. Purna ante perfectly full. What is purna with the earth? Vitta. Vitta ante dravyam. That which will make our sustenance or continuation of life. Without that vittam, nobody can be prosperous. So that's why if people give more importance for only money earning, health and many hazards will come to them. Therefore, here he said, Sarva Purna Syat Vittasya. Whatever kind of benefit you want to derive from the Bhudevi or from this earth, you can get all that because you are young, you have all the necessary qualities to enjoy the life upon the earth. భూలోకంలో ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరూ చాలా పుణ్యవంతులు ఆనందవంతులు కానీ ప్రజలు రియలైజ్ చేయరు when they are there upon the land. See, when are we landing? When are we landing? We are only asking. When is our railway station coming? So that kind of anxiety will be there. Tasyaivam prithvi sarva vittasya purna syat. So I hope you understood up till here that here we come to know either all the natural forces are operative because of the Bhisha. And take an example of an young man who is having all Vedic knowledge and who could be a religious person who has done all Anushtanam and who has this Asishtatvam, Drudishtatvam and Balishtatvam, then what would be the result for him? Supposing you study, what do you get? You are going to get Vittam. Vittam does not mean rupee notes or coins, but Vittam is the Arogyam. Vittam is the wealth and all kind of things is got. A house, a horse, a cow, all etc. are taken as the Vittam. And that Vittam is not simply not incomplete. Purna Vittam Syat. So you will get completely full amount of riches or happiness that you will be able to perform. Any question, Amma? I hope now it is clear that Anandam should be measured. And there are people who adopt to worship them, worship Surya Bhagavan, Chandra, and so there's a kind of scope that Mimamsa will take place. Now we'll go to the next section where you are able to talk about the practical manual. Sayeko manusha anandaha.
एको मानुष आनन्दः
Te shatam manusha anandaha.
ते ये शतं मानुषा आनन्दाः
स एको मनुष्य गन्धर्वाणामानन्दः
स एको मनुष्य गन्धर्वाणामानन्दः
श्रोत्रियस्य च कामः तस्य
श्रोत्रियस्य चाका महतस्य
ते ये सतं मनुष्य गन्धर्वाणामानन्दाः
ते ये शतं मनुष्य गन्धर्वाणामानन्दाः
स एको देवगन्धर्वाणामानन्दः
स एको देवगन्धर्वाणामानन्दः
श्रोत्रियस्य च कामः तस्य
श्रोत्रियस्य चाका महतस्य
ते ये शतं देवगन्धर्वाणामानन्दाः
ते ये शतं देवगन्धर्वाणामानन्दाः
स एकः पितॄणां चिरलोकलोकानामानन्दः
स एकः पितॄणां चिरलोकलोकानामानन्दः
श्रोत्रियस्य च कामः तस्य
श्रोत्रियस्य चाका महतस्य
ये ये शतं पितॄणां
ते ये शतं पितॄणां
चिरलोकलोकानामानन्दः
चिरलोकलोकानामानन्दाः.
Now let us look at it, what we have tried to understand, because the Taittiriya Upanishad has been commented by so many people, including Shankaracharya, and so much of thought process, thought flow is there on Taittiriya Upanishad. And everybody is free to give a big sermon or lecture or discourse on Taittiriya Upanishad, but no two people are happy, have completely understood Taittiriya Upanishad. Because the scope is like that. Here you observe, when you come to the earth is really full of gold flowers, then when you realize your job, your living and all that, what would we get? Ananda. So all human beings are after Anandam. Therefore, Kalidasa says that Nakopi Tishtati, he says that so everybody is after Anandam. I just give you that statement by Kalidas in there. So here Manushananda. So Manushananda, Gandharvananda, then you have got Manushya Gandharvananda, then Devagandharvananda, then Devagandharvananda, and Pitru Ananda, and Agni alone. And again, you have got Aja Anujanam Devanam Ananda, and they are the special gods who are not much familiar in our worship. And then there are other kinds of gods, and their Ananda is being marked out for our convenience. So the impression is that the entire world is filled with the Ananda. Anandanto lekapothe yavaru ye pani cheyaru. So there is always that kind of Anandam, and that's what we see that. Now, when the whole world is searched, and then if he gets something, Vittam, he will be really Purna. And when you get the alms and all that desire fulfillment upon the earth, then what would you describe it to be? Manusha Ananda. Manusha Anandam veru, Gandharvanandam veru, then Yakshanandam veru, ultimately the krimis, and every including ant, even ant also is happy when it gets that small grain, and it will carry with such a great to its nest, because in winter when people don't spread out that kind of food for them, they will reserve it for that. సో ప్రతి ఒక్క జీవికి సుగమంగా చేసుకోవడానికి బుర్ర దేవుడు ప్రసాదం చేశాడు. సో అకార్డింగ్ యాజ్ ది ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ we are able to get hold of this meaning. So continue, Jayama. Go. Yes. So Manushya Gandharva, after Manushya Gandharva, now there is algebraic equation. X is equal to so. What would be y? 100x. And again the same question. So there is a kind of measuring the anandam of all people. Now, sayeko say srotriyasya cha akamah tasya, and then we get that impression that sayeko no sayeko manushya gandharvana mananda srotriyasya cha akamah tasya. So ఒక్క మనుష్యులకు ఆనందము 100 times multiplied will be Gandharvanandam. And again, there are the Manushyas and Gandharvas are very much close by, because Gandharvas look like, and they will be looking like the humans, and therefore we always connect ourselves to Gandharvas. So here, te yesatam manushya gandharvana mananda. So man and Gandharvas were to become befriend each other, and that would be the kind of happiness. Gandharvalu is the happiest people. When you look at the happiest people, you become really happier. Therefore, te ye shatam. Shatam is 100. 100 by Purnam. Shatam by Purnam. And the shatam is really interesting. So te ye shatam manusha. Then now you see sayeko deva gandharvana mananda. So Deva and Gandharvas, they form one unit. Manushya Gandharvas is one unit. And again, te yeshatam deva gandharvanam ananda sayekaha vitrunam chiraloka lokanam ananda srotriyasya cha kamah tasya. So, the anandalu of different species in the nature, for example, Manushya, Gandharva, Srotriya, then Manushya, then the combinations come up. Manushya Gandharvas, Deva Gandharvas, and so on. So, we are trying to assess the level and depth of the happiness of people when they get the Daivadarsanam. So, te yeshatam Deva Gandharvas, they form, because the Gandharvas always stay with the gods and entertain them so that they will get relieved. So in this case here, they said ते येषतं देवगन्धर्वाणामानन्दः एकः पितॄणां परलोकलोकानाम् आनन्दः श्रोत्रियस्तु च कामः तस्य. So, ते येषतं देवगन्धर्वाणामानन्दाः स एकः पितॄणां लोकानामानन्दः. In Taittiriya Upanishad, if you are reading, automatic pranayama.
Yes, very true.
So
Very true.
youngsters don't find problem, but senior people, if they are not practicing pranayama, they want to get it split. When you say that Sajeka Pitrunam Chiraloka Lokanam Ananda, so there is that kind of ananda measuring being done here, that Pitrunam Chiraloka Lokanam Ananda. So even Pitru Devatas become happy. When Pitru Devatas become happy, automatically we will also become happy. So that kind of nerve connection is there between the gods and humans also. So the calculation keeps on going like that. Now, here, when they become Pitru Devatas, what do they do? So, sa eka pitrunam chiraloka lokanam ananda. So, lokanam ananda is that. So, we continue this plus session for another time, and today we stop here.
Okay.
And now it is going to be Dakshinayam Kartik Masam